Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a mac and cheese for a Lazy SOB. All right, as you can see here, I've got a slow cooker, and in that I have one stick of butter that I cut into 4 pieces. All right, and then we're going to add 2 cups of whole milk. About a half a cup of grated Parmesan, 2 12-ounce cans of evaporated milk, and then you want a half teaspoon of garlic powder, and then you want 16 ounces of pasta. You can use elbow macaroni, rigatoni, penne, cavatappi. I just went with gemelli. It's that real tightly wound pasta. Then, of course, some salt, good amount of salt, and, of course, a generous amount of pepper. And then you want to add 4 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. And I do recommend getting a block of cheddar and shredding it yourself, because the stuff that comes pre-shredded in the bag, it's got like palm dust or some shit on it that prevents it from sticking. So I do recommend shredding it yourself. I use my food processor to shred it. Literally takes 8 seconds. And then you just want to stir this around and make sure everything is mixed together. And then you want to put the cover on and cook this on high in your slow cooker for 2.5 hours. I would also recommend periodically, about once every half an hour, lift the lid and give it another stir to prevent things from sticking and, whatever. Couple stirs every half hour. All right, thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, the 2.5 hours are up. This should be what you should be looking at. It will be a very kind of thick mac and cheese. If you want to thin it out a little bit more, just keep adding milk. I probably myself added another, I'd say, third of a cup before this was all said and done. To serve this, I'm going to just sprinkle over some Italian panko breadcrumbs. And a nice dusting of Romano cheese. And that's it. Mac and cheese for a Lazy SOB. Done.